This is the installation video for the Immortobot Powder Relocation Kit. When you first open your kit, you will find several parts in it. The first one is the powder relocation bracket, which you see here pre-installed, along with two longer screws to hold the bracket to the frame. The original bracket that comes with the machine is no longer needed. Set it aside. You also receive the extension rod. Configured this way, this washer may have come off during shipment. It just slips on. You will also receive a bushing for use on the 1100. If necessary, you remove the spring in this washer, place the bushing on the rod, and reinstall the spring and washer above the bushing itself. Today we'll be installing on a 1050 and will not need the 1100 bushing. Installation is very simple once the bracket is installed. Adjust your powder measure in station 3, the swage station, so that the rod hangs down and it generally is in the center of the slot in the bracket itself. And then simply thread on the extension rod until it stops. Snug it down firmly with your fingers. There's no need for anything other than finger tightness. You intend to leave it installed this way. We do suggest a small amount of Loctite. Red Loctite be placed at the very top to help stop the rod from moving. To ensure that it's installed correctly, adjust your powder measure so that when it is at the tool head is at the bottom, the powder measure bar is completely forward, and then cycle the machine and ensure that the powder measure rod has moved completely to the rear. You will see a slight compression in the spring of this washer. Cycle it to ensure that you have no hang-ups in the machine anywhere and that the rod is clearing your handle as it comes up. If the rod makes slight contact with the handle, this is in a slot instead of a hole so that it can move and not be damaged by the handle. Very simple installation of the parts. If you have any other questions, please contact us at Immortobot.com via email, sales@Immortobot.com, or on our socials on Facebook or Instagram. As always, come get loaded.